Wait, nervous?
What did you do there? Oh God, Janisha, are you going crazy?
You're not supposed to be dead. Come and serve your past. Why don't you marry Janisha? Women of the nobility will have your promise and not Pilipinas.
Most women believe. Are you more than just prostitutes? You must be like them.
But I have this desire and passion to go to Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas! So why don't you support me going to Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas?
Janisha! Janisha! You're depriving ourselves in our past. For God's sake, Janisha! For St. Owen's sake!
Pray for the intercession.
But now, the acting lies the movies.
The table is now open for the nomination. Who wants to ground Janisha?
See?